Hey, in this video, we'll be talking about FET, the FET price prediction, and everything you want to know about it. Basically, right here, we managed to take profit. I want to take profit in VWAP, but we had to take profit right here because we saw 218 mil buys versus 270 mil sales, which is over a 30% difference. We rarely have such big differences, and when you see that, you need to place a short. Plus, here we had more shorts as well on the daily chart, which is obviously very strong. So we placed a short, took profit at point of control. Yes, the explosiveness of yesterday was very good, but yeah, we took profit, and now I'm waiting. I wouldn't be entering right here. I would either enter long. Let me just show you what I plan on doing. And by the way, this video is no financial advice. I'm just a random dude on the internet. So now we can go ahead. The point of control is right here. We have a huge amount of sales from basically right here where we are. But I would start adding from here. So the ideal situation for me would be we go here and I start shorting, just like I wanted to go was to go here to long, but we just took long here as well because of the VWAP. But now VWAP is curving, so I'm definitely bearish. And to be honest, I'll place a short right now as well, a new one that would be targeting this liquidity zone, the stop losses of this candle. But yeah, I'm willing to change it at any point. If you're wondering how I'm up, 200 and let me show you an 81 grand right here. There's a link in the description down below for my signal chat where you see my meme coin trades plus a link to my course on how I find them.